Hey guys, today we are tackling the kitchen with some super easy organizing hacks. Some of these I haven't shown in a while. They are $1 ideas. So if you have low motivation to get started, I am so glad you're here. Let's hit it. If you've got a small space and need easy, affordable solutions, this video is for you. I took all of my cooking, baking, snacks, and kitchen essentials and put them in just a couple of cabinets into my kitchen to show you how you can transform any space on a tiny budget. As you start to clean out and you feel anxious or overwhelmed, something that's been helping me really in all areas of life is looking at mastering my failure as a superpower. It keeps you focused and forward moving, and you totally feel like a rock star when you get it done. I recently read an article, I'll link it down below, that if you were to walk around your home and describe it and there was a lot of clutter or unfinished projects, that contributes to higher levels of depression and anxiety and higher levels of cortisol. But people who had completed things around their house describe their home as restorative. And I loved that word, thinking of your house as a restorative place and the little changes that you can make to help swim toward that. Good motivation to get it done. Could wear a blindfold, no matter what I do, I'm coming home to you. Now here's where I start getting excited. Let's talk containers. My favorite surefire way to have an organized kitchen is uniform containers. And these are from the Dollar Tree, these SureFresh clip lock closures. I've used them for years. I swear by them. And if you didn't know, Dollar Tree will deliver to your home if you order a case of these. They're airtight and they fit standard boxes of snacks and goodies just right. I love using these for baking supplies too, and I keep the excess flour and sugar in my fridge or freezer. And these hacks are some of my favorites. Take wire shelving, like the kind you'd find for really cheap at the hardware store, and if you cut it down, this makes can organizers. Take 2 Dollar Tree cake pans and about 30 marbles, and this makes an instant Lazy Susan. Stick it up top behind the center of the cabinet, nothing is lost. I also love the Dollar Tree cabinet shelves. I have tons of these on hand. And the fridge soda can storage combines so well with it. It was like they were made to go together. Now this is not a Dollar Tree product, but it's about $5 and you can get it online right now, which is great. These under cabinet organizers are the perfect way to double your space if you don't have a lot of it. What I love about this system is I can see everything. It's not out of sight, it's not out of mind, and the excess goes right behind, so there's no wasted space. These rectangular containers from Dollar Tree fit your seasonings perfectly, the large ones from Costco. In small spaces, especially high up ones, work with purposeful layers. Group like with like, and organize so nothing gets lost in the back. These Dollar Tree clip lids are also perfect for your seasonings, sprinkles, and things you only access sometimes because you can maximize vertical space. As you're reorganizing, reconfigure some of your systems. These you can find on Amazon. They're only $5 each. And I'm loving Amazon right now because it comes right to your house. They are the best drawer dividers. When you see the reviews on them, you will know why. They do not move in your drawer and they look really high end. And this is so simple, but I think the best things always are. Your cooking utensils are best stored right on your countertop because they have such a small footprint. These Dollar Tree plate dividers, did you know, also fit your parchment paper and aluminum foil perfectly. Now what I did underneath of the cabinet was reconfigure some things to maximize my vertical space. I'll link below my favorite platforms for your pots and pans, the underwire baskets, and you can see things are stacked so they can be moved to easily access the items in the back. I do the same with bulk snack food and keep snacks for the kids down low so they can easily get to them. I also love having a wall calendar, and I sell this one for just $3. You print it at home. If you have computer paper, you can very easily put together using what you already have. And I love it because it's broken up by person, so nothing gets compartmentalized. I also love having an accordion file that I can put right on my fridge. I will link all of these items in the description box below.
Are you ready to see it?
I didn't even declutter anything. Everything you see here is all the same stuff, just organized in a more thoughtful way. And if in all of this you still feel discouraged by some of your messes, we all have them. Remember, it's not permanent. Even if it looks totally tragic, there is a spot of your house that is a total mess, it's not permanent. Things change, and you can help make those changes happen in little ways around your house starting right now. I hope this video encouraged you. I love you so much. You hit that subscribe button, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye.
Happy Easter.